Welcome to Workout Wednesday and welcome to my channel. Today I will be talking about just stopping the pressure in your fitness journey, because a lot of us have come from a place where people are like, you have to watch what you eat, you have to watch what you drink, you have to exercise this amount of time every day. Yes, we understand that living a healthy lifestyle involves you cutting down on some certain food and drinks. It involves you exercising regularly, but stop following the trend, because what people don't understand is what people show you on TV, on camera, is completely different from their reality. Time and time again, we've seen that happen. People are going to show you six packs on TV, and if you check their reality, they have like one big sack, because we have a lot of editing softwares that can clear those things off. Yes, we know there are lots of deceptions out there, and it can be making you to want to put pressure on yourself and just want to keep up, but you don't need all the pressure, because a healthy lifestyle is a marathon. It is not a 1 month thing, it's not a 3 month thing, it is not a 1 week thing. It's something that when you decide to do, you are supposed to do it for the rest of your life. So stop putting yourself under unnecessary pressure of, okay, I must have this now. That is completely different from if you're setting goals. Because if you're setting goals, you can say, okay, my target is to lose maybe 10 kg in 3 months, which is very possible. My target is to have a flat abs in maybe 1 year, which is very possible depending on where you're coming from. But following the trend of just lose 20 kg in 2 weeks, lose 10 kg in 3 days. Just stop it already. Stop putting yourself under unnecessary pressure. Stop giving yourself high blood pressure. Stop putting your finances into unnecessary pressure, because most of these programs are usually pocket sucking. They're going to suck you dry. So there's no need for you to put yourself under such a tension. So just take it one day at a time. I remember when I started my fitness journey and actively, and that was in 2016. I started with just cutting off fizzy drinks. And throughout 2016 till now, I haven't drank fizzy drinks. And that was how I started. Then it was in 2019, I decided to cut off pasta. It was in 2017, I decided to start working out actively. So take it 1 month at a time, take it 1 year at a time, take it 2 years at a time. Stop putting yourself under unnecessary pressure. That is just all I have to tell you. So don't allow people to just put you under unnecessary pressure. I've said pressure like 40 something times. Okay, so that will be all for today. I don't really have much to say, but I think I've actually said too much and too much pressure. Come and join me. I'm having dinner. Exactly. A lot of people just tell you, don't eat bread, don't eat gari, don't eat this. Don't. Come on, guys, stop it. I eat bread a lot. I eat gari every day. So this is actually my dinner. I'm having a cup of milk and Milo and bread and fried egg. I don't have this all the time. Sometimes I use boiled egg, but it depends on my mood, and at the end of the day, I know I'm going to exercise and I'm going to work everything out. So I'll eat whatever I want to eat. If I want to eat cake, okay, I'll have to wait till cheat day to eat cake though. But I eat a lot of things that people just feel it's contraindicated in a fitness journey, and I just feel it's too much pressure. Enough of the pressure. Bye.